The Algorand digital currency is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is as of now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it takes care of the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's versatility while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is accepted that this new advanced organization will work on the effectiveness of the standard monetary framework, and its convention will work with the smooth course of monetary standards. Algorand is a decentralized and open blockchain framework, the primary objective of which is to make a blockchain stage open to everybody, growing the capacities of clients. The fundamental elements of the ALGO stage are high throughput and moment evidence, which give incredible straightforwardness. Because of this, clients can rapidly and inexpensively move ALGO digital currency. Algorand works on verification of stake, POS, an agreement calculation through which holders get prizes by just holding digital money in their wallets, or trade adjusts, numerous crypto trades backing such a capability. The Algorand network has its local authority token. For its underlying dispersion, the beginning trade offering of the Binance trade was utilized. Tokens were disseminated through a Dutch sale in light of the fact that the makers were persuaded that the market members ought to decide the coin's worth. Dutch closeout implies that costs are brought in dropping request as opposed to rising one. We should investigate the primary element of the Algorand stage, a decentralized economy. Decentralization is of imperative significance for organizations and all buyers of labor and products. As the economy turns out to be more advanced, consistent, and straightforward, organizations need to utilize innovations that infer decentralization to try not to lose their essential significance and endeavor to protect potential security and versatility. The convention ensures a high installment handling speed contrasted with customary monetary frameworks. Full fulfillment of the exchange. It is an imaginative advancement of Algorand. Blockchain gives moment and unrestricted culmination of exchanges without fanning. Other blockchains experience the ill effects of vulnerability and absence of conditional honesty, and here this issue is tackled. The utilization of logical examination and powerful colleagues. Algorand helps out demonstrated business pioneers working in widely acclaimed organizations. Algorand value investigation. Prior to settling on any venture choices, doing some sort of preliminary work is fundamental. Thus, you ought to do your own exploration and dissect the value history to find repeating examples and pointers so the worth of your speculations wouldn't plunge. As indicated by the Algorand cost forecasts, this advanced money might develop soon. Furthermore, numerous crypto specialists decidedly survey the eventual fate of ALGO, and we trust that after some time and with legitimate turn of events, the cost of Algorand will proceed with its development pattern. Algorand a genuine cost. As of October 18, the Algorand cost today is $1.73. The cost has changed by -$0.08645 as of now. Algorand has altogether 10 billion ALGO tokens available for use. The record-breaking most noteworthy ALGO cost is $3.674475. The least enrolled cost of ALGO is $0.0988663. Market expectations. Specialists accept that Algorand is a promising digital money that might show new pinnacles. In the long haul, ALGO might end up being a wise speculation. In 2022, the ALGO cost may be $1.26. Algorand cost expectation. It very well may be a productive venture and might be exchanged for $2.026 toward the finish of 2021 and $6.740 toward the finish of 2025. ALGO's typical expense in the cryptographic money market could be $2.20 toward the finish of 2021 and $4.36 by 2025. Long forecast examiners foresee that the Algorand cost might reach $3.61 $4.48 toward the finish of 2021 and $7.89 $9.79 by the center of 2025. Algorand value forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Algorand will be 32 cents. The most extreme level that the algo cost can reach is 36 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 33 cents. Algo value conjecture for September 2022. In light of the value changes of Algorand toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical algo pace of 31 cents in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 28 cents and at 32 cents, separately. October 2022, Algorand value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the algo cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 30 cents, while the greatest could reach 33 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around 31 cents. Algo value gauge for November 2022. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value vacillations of Algorand in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal algo rate they anticipate may be around 32 cents in November 2022. It can drop to 31 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 34 cents. December 2022, Algorand value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the algo cost will be exchanged at 33 cents overall. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Algorand worth to 36 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 32 cents in December 2022. Algorand value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Algorand will be around 45 cents. The most extreme expected algo cost might be around 54 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 46 cents in 2023. Algorand value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand, in 2024, algo is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 66 cents and 77 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 67 cents. Algorand value expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Algorand and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base algo cost could drop to 94 cents, while its most extreme can reach $1.14. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 97 cents. Algorand value forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists,